Have you ever wondered how fermentation works? Let's break down the chemistry behind it. Fermentation is a natural process where sugars are converted into alcohol, gases, or acids by microorganisms like yeast and bacteria. The most common form of fermentation is alcoholic fermentation, used to make beer, wine, and bread. It all starts with glucose, a type of sugar. When yeast cells consume glucose, they break it down through a process called glycolysis. During glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, producing a small amount of energy. But what happens next is where fermentation kicks in. In an environment without oxygen, yeast turns pyruvate into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This is why bread rises and why alcoholic beverages contain alcohol. The carbon dioxide causes bread to rise, while ethanol is the alcohol we find in drinks like wine and beer. There's also lactic acid fermentation, where bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid. This is the process that gives us yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. In both cases, fermentation is about breaking down sugars and creating new compounds. It's a simple but powerful process that humans have been using for thousands of years. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to AI Explains It All for more quick insights into the fascinating science behind everyday processes.